Hello students, and today is my topic is Python module, as I told you in my last video. So uh, Python module is what? In the case of Python, it is a simple file which have an extension of .py. Okay, module is a .py file which contain the definition of function and variable. That means if I have a single function that will perform a single task. Clear? If I have another function which have a similar task but not same task, and I have another function which will actually have a similar, or we can just say not similar but a task, but it is correlate with that my previous function. Clear? For example, if I'm just going to create uh, a function to calculate the area of triangle, so area of triangle is just differ from the area of circle, but both are things are area. So if I just if I have create a function of to calculate the area of square, area of circle, area of triangle, area of rectangle, so I can actually enclose these all functions into a single file that is called area. So area.py is a module at that time. I'll tell you how. Suppose this is a area of triangle function. Okay, that is called area of circle. What is that? Area of triangle, area of rectangle, suppose, area of circle, suppose. So these are the three we can just say functions, where first is area of triangle, area of circle, area of rectangle, area of circle. So what is the core difference? At this time here I required different values and different calculation system. Here I have different values and different calculation system. Here I have different values and different calculation systems, but all things are area. So what I'm just doing, I will enclose these all files into a single file, all function into a single file that's called area dot py. Okay, area.py. So what is that? Area.py now is a module where area of triangle is a function, area of rectangle is a function, and area of circle is a function. That is the core concept of a module. Take a look. Okay, module is a simple Python file. So I told you it's a .py file. All py file is a Python files. When you divide a program into the module, then each module contain a function and variables, and each function is made for a special task. We have discussed about the thing. Each function have made for a different task. Clear? So area of circle will create a different task, area of rectangle have a different task, area of triangle also have a different task. Now once written a code in a module can be used in other program. Now what is the main motive to create module? The main motive is I can use these all functions in my program, in another program, and in another code also. So that is not program independent codes. These are the program independent codes. That means once I have created a module, and I will I will use that modules in any program. Clear? Where I required to calculate the area of triangle, area of rectangle, area of circle, I can use that thing. Clear? Once I have created, there's no need to recode that thing. Okay, when we make such function which may be used in other programs also, then we write them into modules. So it is so simple. We have discussed we can import those module in any program. Then so core concept, core basic we can just say idea for that is only create a module and use anywhere where you want as per to the requirement. Now take a look. So these are some predefined modules also. For example, math is a module. Okay, so Python provided two ways to import a module. First, you import the statement to import full module, and uh, from statement. So how we can use that thing? Take a look. Import math is actually import all functions of math. By the help of import math, we can do, we can import all functions of math. If suppose you required more functions of math, then you can use import math function. Otherwise you can use from function. So what is the difference? I'll tell you. From math, import sqrt. What I required only square root function. Here n number of list of functions which present in the math.py, or we can say math module, will loaded in my program. Here only single function will load, but is what is the name of that thing is? That name is called sqrt. So from math, import square root will import only a single function. At this time you will use only a single function of math module. At this time you can use all function of math module, but it will increase the size of your file. If it will increase the size of your program, and it will not increase at much size as compared to the import math file of your program. So if you just want to import all things because you required multiple we can just say math functions you required, then you can use the import math. Otherwise, if you required a selective area, then you can use the from math import square root. So from math file dot from math.py function module, import only square root. Here we import all files of the math. So take a look. Math.file. Okay, from math abc print math.square root a. So what right now what I'm doing, import math, it is the we can just import all programs. A is equals to 20. I have defining a what I'm doing, I'm just doing a is equals to 20, means to say I'm defining 20 value into the a, then print, I'm doing printing math dot square root a. So math, this math dot square root, because square root function is the part of math module. So where is the square root function? In math module. So print math dot square root a. So it is again a way to print your we can say desired output. You can use the square root right now, or write this also. So there's a n number of modules of math. Clear? For example, seal, it will provide you the ceiling value. Ceiling is to say chat, so it will provide you the uh, nearest highest value. Here for example, import math dot seal 5.6, and what is the 5.6 nearest fixed value is the 6. Clear? And floor, again it will provide you the lowest value, which is actually complete value, not a decimal value written. And pow will provide you the pow function. Pow function is the power function. You can use I think you use that thing, math.pow 3/4. You can simply use that thing also. Okay, the square root, log 10, cos, sine 10. So these are the mathematical functions we have. We actually I use that thing. You can just used by your own and your computer also. And make sure to create a notes is very important. So make the things in written in your notebook. Help function. Help function is important. If you know about the function but you don't know about the task of the function, at that time you can use the help function. So I actually don't know about them how we can use the math.cos, and what the math dot cost will do. So I'll do what? Print bracket help bracket math dot cost, first bracket close, second bracket close. So what happening over here? Help on the built-in function cos is the module math. So what is the thing? Cos is also a function of module math. Cos x return the cosine of the x measured in the radians. So what is that? It will provide you, it will definitely provide you the you know the task of the function. As same we have done in something in a string function in the last year, but there are some we can just say some functions of a string module. Okay, now random module is again uh, an important module. Okay, so random module you can just if you just want to select a random value, by default it will जब हम लोग zigzag वाला फंक्शन यूज़ करते हैं कोई गेम यूज़ करते हैं इसके अंदर हमें रैंडमली कुछ पिक करना होता है, एट दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज़ द रैंडम फंक्शन। जैसे हर बार कोई नया पासवर्ड, यस एग्जैक्टली, याद आया मुझे, जब हम लोग कोई भी ईमेल आईडी वगैरह बनाते हैं तो उसके अंदर या कोई भी वेब पेज खोलते हैं या तो उसके अंदर एक कैप्शन आता है जहाँ पर हमें वर्ड लिखे होते हैं और उसके नीचे उसको लिखना होता है समझ के, ठीक है ना। वहाँ पर रैंडम फंक्शन लगा होता है, हर बार आपको एक नई वैल्यू दे देता है, हर बार आपको एक नया कुछ लिखने के लिए देता है, जहाँ पर लिखा होता है AZG करके कुछ टाइप से लिखा होता है, वहाँ पर रैंडम फंक्शन यूज़ होता है, ठीक है। So random is a module. Okay. Now in the case of random, rand range. Rand range means to say it will provide you the range of the range of not range. It will provide the value inside a range. Clear? Inside a range. It can be provide you anything, any value. Clear? The method always return any integer between given lower and upper limit of the method. Okay, default lower value is 0 and the upper value is 1. So if you will provide anything, just suppose rand range, empty parenthesis, so it will provide you any value which is greater than 0 and till 1. So how we can use import random is a function, is a module, and random dot rand range parenthesis 15. What is that thing? At this time it will provide me a value between 0 to 15, any value between 0 to 15. First time I'll run, it will give me the 10 is 0, and second time I'll run, it will give me the 10. So it's called rand range. Now random function, okay, import random, random dot random, it will provide you suppose if I'm just picking a random function over here, and it will give me the any random value, any random value from 0 to 1. It does not require any argument. So what इसके अंदर हो क्या रहा है, इसके अंदर सिर्फ सिंपल सी बात है कि 0 से 1 के बीच में कोई भी एक रैंडम वैल्यू ये आपको हर बार दे देगा, ठीक है। इन सब चीज़ों का यूज़ कहाँ पर होता है, इन सब चीज़ों का यूज़ वहाँ पर होता है जहाँ पर आपको कैप्शंस देने होते हैं। क्लियर है? आपको कोई ऐसा प्रोग्राम बनाना है जहाँ पर आपको कैप्शंस देना है, तो आप रैंडमली कोई भी वैल्यू को प्रोवाइड करा सकते हो। या फिर आपने देखा होगा आई एम नॉट अ रोबोट करके लिखा आता है, तो उसके अंदर 2 + 3 = 5, तो इस तरह के कुछ रैंडम कैलकुलेशन आप रैंडम फंक्शन के थ्रू आप प्रोवाइड करा सकते हो। Now random module के अंदर randint करके होता है, this method takes two parameters a and b, is which first one is lower and second one is upper limit. This may return any number between these two numbers including both limits. Clear? This method is very useful for guessing application. Clear? So import random, print random dot randit 0 to 10, random dot randit 0 to 10. So what I'm just doing, I'm just actually ordering that thing, random, please give me a value, randit value from 0 to 10. First time it will give me the 8, second time it will give me the, not not definitely, it gives me 8 and it gives me 4. So what is that? It is called task of the randit function, where I'm just giving it a lowest value and is a highest value. Okay, now uniform, this method return any floating point number between two given numbers. For example, print uniform numbers from 1 to 100, random dot uniform 1 to 100, and uniform loyalty number is 1 to 100 is 80.85.6 to whatever. Clear? So what is the difference between the randit and uniform? Randit give you only our integer value and uniform give me the return value, or sorry, floating value, not return value, it's called floating value. Now in the case of random, a choice is again a function. This method is used to random selection from list, tuples or string. सपोज मैंने एक फंक्शन के अंदर एक स्ट्रिंग के अंदर या एक लिस्ट के अंदर मैंने इसको चूज़ किया, तो वहाँ से कोई भी एक वैल्यू मुझे चूज़ करके दे देगा. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एक लिस्ट बनाई, देखो लिस्ट के अंदर है दाल चावल रोटी मिक्स वेज अचार पनीर मसाला वट एवर मलाई ऑफ द, ओके दैट्स गुड. इसके अंदर मैंने क्या किया, प्रिंट फर्स्ट आइटम इज रैंडम डॉट चॉइस एल एस टी के अंदर से कुछ भी एक चूज़ करो, और इसके अंदर मैंने लिखा देन सेकेंड चीज़ चूज़ करो. क्लियर, कोई भी एक चीज़ चूज़ करो. तो इसने पहले क्या यूज़ किया, मलाई कोफ्ता यूज़ किया, दूसरे में क्या है मिक्स वेज यूज़ किया. कहाँ पर, चॉइस नाम का फंक्शन यूज़ हुआ है यहाँ पर. चॉइस का काम क्या है, व्हाट इज द टास्क ऑफ द चॉइस, लिस्ट के अंदर से कुछ भी चूज़ करना. ठीक है, टपल्स के अंदर से कुछ भी चूज़ करना, स्ट्रिंग के अंदर से कुछ भी चूज़ करना. जहाँ पर इसको एन नंबर ऑफ एंट्रीज हमने दे रखी है, वहाँ से अगर कुछ चूज़ करना है तो ये चॉइस का काम होता है, जो किसके अंदर किसका पार्ट है, रैंडम का पार्ट है. नाउ शफल, शफल का काम क्या होता है, आपको एक आपको क्या हुआ, एक पर्टिकुलर सीक्वेंस में आपको चीज़ें मिल गई. फॉर एग्जांपल मैंने एक लिस्ट बनाई दाल चावल वट एंड रैंडम डॉट सफल एल एस टी. अब मैंने क्या किया, यहाँ पर लिस्ट को सफल कर दिया, रैंडम डॉट shuffle lst, then print my shuffle list is lst. अब क्या हुआ, lst को shuffle किया था तो shuffle मुझे मिला. सेकंड टाइम मैंने shuffle किया, सेकंड टाइम मैंने इसको प्रिंट कराया. हुआ क्या, दोनों ही बार में मुझे अलग अलग आउटपुट मिलना चाहिए. सो फर्स्ट माई shuffle list is अचार दाल चावल. what is that, dal chawal roti. Now what is the output is achar dal chawal, and the third output is, second output is now chawal paneer masala dal mixed veg. So that is called shuffle. If you just want to use that thing as a shuffling, so you can use the shuffle option. So this is and then that is over to my module section. You can just care of, if you just want to ask any question on the base of the module section, then you can simply ask this thing, ask any question. Okay, and my next topic is user defined function. I'll tell you how we can just create a user defined function, or what is the limitation and what is the expectation, whatever my next topic is, that thing. Okay, so okay, thank you so much.